the impact of the pandemic, what happened, how you all had to face adversity, and how you all came back into the normal schooling system this year. And I think for that, they all deserve a big round of applause.
If you're a great leader, he should have the following qualities. Number one, leader must have a clear vision. Leader must know how to manage success or failure. The success he is giving to his team, whereas the failure the leader absorbs. Then comes the leader should have transparency. Then the courage. Leader must have a courage to take decision. The last one must be able to travel into an unexplored path.